Midwest Box Trucking, back. Curri, as well as this app, has become strikingly similar to Amazon. Today, I want to go through a few things that'll not only protect you and your drivers, but your trucking company as well. About a year ago, Curri implemented app violations. The most common app violations are failure to advance to the pickup, as well as not following delivery instructions. You have 15 minutes to start advancing towards a load once assigned. Also, you usually have specific delivery instructions. 3 violations within 90 days will trigger a 30-day suspension from the app and possible removal altogether. Violations also affect the amount of opportunities that you see on a day-to-day basis. Multiple not following delivery instructions may be grounds for a permanent ban. Curri is also similar to Amazon, now doing weekly performance evaluations on drivers, tracking on time and other performance score metrics. Just like any other automated system, mistakes and errors occur pertaining to the violations. And most drivers are unaware that these violations even occurred. Now the carrier is dealing with reduced visibility of loads and they don't know why, ultimately affecting their bottom line. I myself have had multiple app violations within this past year, probably 5 or 6 to be exact. Most of them pertain to me not being able to start a trip in the past, and a lot of these have since been sorted out. But I would go to start a trip. The app wouldn't show me the origin address location, therefore causing me to have to reach out to support. At times, because the app's automated, it would unassign me from the trip and also penalize me with a violation. I would have to then reach out to staff, be reassigned to the trip, and have the violation removed. That's happened a few different times. All of these situations usually are resolved within 24 to 48 hours. If you're in the right, usually Curri will remove the violation and your performance score with the app won't be affected. The most recent violation that I received, which was less than a week ago, pertained to a overnight hold. I recovered a load, communicated with administration. They told me that they would change the drop location within the app because it was supposed to be a move from one address to another. It turned out needing to be taken back to the warehouse. Supposed to be changed in the app, recovered the load, went home for the day, supposed to take it back at 5:30 in the morning. I started getting alerts from the app saying I needed to advance to the drop location. At that time, the drop location is closed. The app still went ahead and tagged me with a violation for failure to move to the drop location. So it's constantly tracking you. Any long periods of time that you're stopped, it'll trigger a message, which will ultimately trigger a violation. The most severe app violation will probably pertain to customer and shipper complaints, not following delivery instructions, damage to products, different things of that nature. Those types of violations, you may have a lot more difficulty getting removed. And the newest feature that I've seen added to the app within the last couple of days is this delivery ineligible for bidding feature. I think it mainly pertains to cargo van loads. I'm sure it'll trickle over to box trucks, but they have these loads that come out with a claim now payout. And that's the payout. I guess they'll increase it as it sits, but you're not able to bid on that particular load as you normally would with the regular loads that come up within this Curri app. Curri has also changed and added to its payout method. In the past, payouts were instant. If you want to bid on a load for $500, the total payout for that load was $500. They've now changed, and you have the option of instant and weekly payouts. Instant payouts now come with a fee. I've incurred a fee on the last 3 loads that I've ran with Curri. Most recent one was for $500. I was charged a payout fee of $7.50 on that $500. The load before that was $454. For some reason, I was charged a payout fee of $10.94. The load before that was $275. And for whatever reason, I was again charged a total fee of $10.94. If you break that down, that's 3.97% of a payout fee on a $275 payout. Now that you are aware of the new policies, procedures, and different app violations, if you ever run into issues, you're going to want to know how to check for violations. Wait a couple hours after your trip's completion. Open the app. Tap trip history. Tap on the trip in question. Check for violations. It'll either say none or the violation type. You can also appeal that violation within that same field. Let me know what you think about all the new changes to the Curri app and how they may be affecting your trucking company. And with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. You guys stay safe out there. Take it easy and have a good one. Appreciate you.